Why are there so many hidden fees in air travel now? A guide for seniors. Hello, fellow travelers. Today, we're addressing an issue that many of you have expressed frustration about: the hidden fees and changing landscape of air travel. If you've felt that the simple, straightforward travel of the past has been replaced with a confusing array of charges, you're not alone. Let's talk about the unexpected costs that can turn a budget-friendly trip into a pricey ordeal. From baggage fees to seat selection charges, it's important to know what to look out for and how to protect yourself. Before we share more of this valuable information, please take a moment to help the channel by sharing, liking, and subscribing to our YouTube channel. We are aware that 90% of viewers don't subscribe. Please do. First, let's break down some common hidden fees. 1. Baggage fees. Many airlines now charge for checked luggage, and even carry-ons in some cases. Always check the airline's baggage policy before you travel and try to pack light. 2. Seat selection fees. If you want to choose your seat, especially a preferred one, you might need to pay extra. Try checking in online early to get the best available seats without additional costs. 3. In-flight amenities. Items like meals, drinks, and entertainment are often not included in the ticket price anymore. Bring your own snacks and download entertainment beforehand to save money. 4. Booking fees. Booking through third-party sites can sometimes add extra charges. Whenever possible, book directly on the airline's website to avoid these fees. It's not just about the money. The process itself has become more complicated. Dealing with global customer support can be frustrating, and often, it feels like these agents are more focused on sales than genuinely helping you. Here's what you can do to navigate this complex landscape. Tips to avoid hidden fees and hassles. Non-refundable tickets. While non-refundable tickets are cheaper up front, they can be costly if your plans change. If the price difference between refundable and non-refundable tickets isn't significant, opting for the refundable ticket can provide peace of mind and save money in the long run. You are buying insurance. Research and compare. Before booking, compare different airlines' fees and policies. Some airlines might offer more inclusive packages than others. Read the fine print. Always check the terms and conditions related to baggage, seat selection, and other services. Pack smart. Use a luggage scale to avoid overweight fees and consider traveling with just a carry-on when possible. Book wisely. Use the airline's official website or app, and avoid last-minute changes to your travel plans. Remember, knowledge is your best travel companion. By being informed and proactive, you can enjoy your travels without falling victim to unexpected costs. This video was created by Bill Vargas, an independent Medicare agent, which means he works for you, not the insurance companies. Go to Medicare self-enrol.com, enter your zip code to find the right Medicare plan for you in your area, and then easily self-enroll. Your trusted partner in Medicare enrollments. Let's work together to bring back the joy of traveling without the hidden stress. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other travelers. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on navigating the ever-changing world of travel.